Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs news, and it's not good news at all. As Bobby Mtaung might have just confirmed that Kaizer Chiefs will not be signing any player in this January transfer window. Mate, I am absolute drained. Yeah. Man was asked if Kaizer Chiefs will be looking to strengthen the squad in this current window, and this is what he said. We will not hesitate if a special player comes along. If that happens, we will look at the situation. We are satisfied with the squad we have because we have had players injured, but they are coming back. Mate, what the fuck is this? Can someone tell me what the bloody hell is this? If a special player comes along, where the fuck is he coming from? Yeah? Where is he coming from? By now you should have a list of the players you want. By now you should know that you only have one natural defensive midfielder who can play the ball to save his life. By now you should know that you have only one left-footed winger, which is a 20-year-old Mfundo Vilakazi. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? And for me, what he actually means is, if a free agent pops up in the market, then Kaizer Chiefs will act. That's what I think. That's what I think. But then unfortunately, there are no free agents in January. There are no free agents in January, mate. So we are not getting anyone for free. It's absolute rubbish. I am sick and tired, mate. I've had enough. For me, I think the management sat down and they were like, you know what? We are only sitting 4 points behind Orlando Pirates. So our squad is good enough. We are not signing any player. That's what happened. That's what's happening here. Cool, we've improved. Yeah, I think we've been doing okay this season. Yeah, 4 points behind Orlando Pirates, who are currently sitting first. It's not a bad thing. Yeah, more especially if you consider where we were last season. Cool, but you should also take into account that we are only 4 points above 8th placed Chase Galaxy. So it's that time of the season where the table is constantly fluctuating. Yeah, today you win, you are sitting third. The next game you draw, you are fifth. You lose, you go. It's that time of the season. But if we want to keep ourselves there at the end of the season, we should be strengthening the squad. Look at Orlando Pirates, who are sitting first on the table. They've won 2 trophies so far this season. They went and got Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch. And they might be signing Khuliso Mutau from Mamelodi Sundowns. I look at Mamelodi Sundowns, who are having a terrible season by their standards, but they are still sitting second, 2 points ahead of us. They are going to sign Puso Diceshan right in front of our faces. They've signed Khulumane Ndamane. They've signed Munapule Saleng. And they signed a 53 million player. 53 million. And we are there. We are folding our arms. We are like, nah, our squad is good enough to compete with those teams. Get out. Get out. This is what I call not being ambitious. Yeah, we are okay with doing good. We don't want to be great. That's why I always say we are moving towards being a mid-table team. That's where we are heading, mate. That's where we are heading. This is absolute nonsense. And I know some people will be defending this, based on the fact that we are currently sitting fourth. Cool, no problem. Yeah, let's talk after match day 20. Let's talk after match day 20. I'm not saying if we sign players, we are going to win the league. That's not happening. Yeah, we can sign whoever we sign, but we're still not winning the league. But we'll have a decent team, a team that will maybe put us in the top 3. That would be a successful season if we finish third. We still have a trophy to play for, to defend the Nedbank Cup. But seems like we are comfortable. Injuries have been a big issue to us this season, but we still don't want to sign players. Man, you know what? I'm out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.